LG's already outed not one, but two V-series smartphones this year, breaking with tradition. We're talking about the V30's ThinQ and the V30 ThinQ, though both of those borrow the looks from last year's V30. The first truly new V-series handset of 2018 is yet to come, and this is the V40 ThinQ. Press renders depicting it have been leaked today. While at first blush the renders seem to show a phone with no notch, if you look closer you'll notice that it's just turned off in software. The side bezels are almost not there, while the chin is pretty tiny for today's standards. Like previous rumors anticipated, the V40 will ship with a whopping 5 cameras, 2 on the front, 3 on the rear. The V40 also appears to be the first LG phone to come equipped with 3 cameras on the back. We've seen other OEMs such as Huawei mess with triple camera setups before, so it'll be interesting to see LG's implementation of this. The LG V40 has a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, and a third hardware button that'll likely be used for opening up the Google Assistant. A date of November 16th on the V40's lock screen suggests that the phone's just a couple months away, but this doesn't line up with an earlier rumor claiming that the V40 would be released on October 5th. As more details about this come out, we'll let you know. Following last month's rumor of the V40 having a total of 5 cameras, ET News says that 3 of these will be on the back of the phone and consist of 20MP primary, 16MP wide-angle, and 13MP telephoto sensors. The remaining 2 cameras will be on the front and allow for a 3D facial recognition system. Speaking of the V40's front, it's said that will be met with an impressive screen-to-body ratio of 90%. LG will apparently have a different from the conventional method for keeping bezels so small, suggesting that the company might have found an alternative solution to the notch. Talk about the V40 specs is still relatively quiet, but even so, we can make a few guesses about what it'll come equipped with. At the heart of the V40 will likely be Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor. This has been the chipset of choice for most 2018 flagships, and as we've seen before, the 845 is a beast when it comes to performance, camera processing, battery life, and more. Something else the V40 will likely carry is an OLED display. In May, LG confirmed that it reserves its OLED panels for entries in the V series. Unless something has radically changed since then, this is a sure bet that the V40 will be graced with an OLED screen. Lastly, the V40 will come with at least 2 cameras on the back. We don't know what kind of sensors will be used or what the aperture rating will be like, but similar to past LG flagships, we should get a primary lens with a regular focal length and a secondary, wide-angle one.